Hey guys, for this video we're going to take a look at this DepthStech DS590 professional endoscope or inspection camera, if you will. They were nice enough to send me this for free so I can make this video showing it to you, go through some of the features of it, and then give it a little test. And it does record video and take pictures, so at some point in this video I will definitely show you footage directly from this camera so you can see the quality that you can expect with it. So obviously you saw it comes with the handy dandy case, and look at this foam. Look at that foamy. So keep it nice and protected. Don't have to worry about if you were to drop that case or something, you'd be just fine. So it does come with the user manual. We'll look at the features of this more in 1 second, but it's a little handheld guy. We have the SD card on the side. It's a micro SD. It comes with a 32 gigabyte. You also have your USB charge port on the side there as well. Camera connects to the top, power button, otherwise just a little handheld guy. This is a 16.5 foot cable. If you look at the front, I really like the dual lens. The dual lens is my favorite. You can see there's a lens there and there's a lens there. So when you're looking at stuff, you get two possible angles. When you're going through a pipe, a lot of times this has a tendency to angle downwards and all you can see is the side of the pipe. But if you got a dual lens, we're doubling our odds of seeing something useful inside that pipe. But even if you're looking around an engine compartment or something, trying to find a leak or whatever you have, having two lenses makes everything twice as easy. Now also this collar at the end just unthreads like so, and you can see these threads here at the end, and they give you this little container with attachments you can put on the end. There's a hook and there is a magnet, so really useful for retrieving something. If you drop a bolt or a nut or something, you can pick that thing back up and you'll be able to see where you're going to pick it up with the camera there. And also this does have LED lights both on the front and the side, so both of the lenses can be illuminated. Now one thing that's really important when you don't have one of these on there, make sure to put your collar back on, because you don't want to mess up the threads on the end of this and then you'll have a hard time getting those attachments on. So we have that, your USB-C cable. We'll get this guy turned on, press and hold here. Bam, DepthStech. No signal, we don't have it plugged in. We're just gonna line this up. There's a little red dot here, and then we're gonna line it up with the little tabby right there. There we are with a view of the DepthStech case right behind us. We'll go through some of the buttons real quick. We have this guy right here that's going to do a 180-degree flip to turn your image around so we can go back and forth. If you press and hold that, now we're at our, where's it at? There it is. We're at that guy right there. Press and hold to switch back to the front. Oh, hey, we got side by side. This is like picture-in-picture action here. Now, I kind of like that one the best. You get the best of both worlds right there. I like that. So if we do it one more time, now we should be back to the front facing. There we go. And then we can adjust the brightness of the LED with our lights right here. You can see the scale there, showing it brighter or dimmer. We'll keep it. We don't want to wash it out too much. Now for the pictures, if we just click, you saw the little thing come up that we took a picture. Now if we press and hold, and we'll see the timer up here in the corner showing that we are recording a video now. And just give it a tap to stop that recording. Then we have settings where we can change the photo resolution, auto power off, time settings, language, brightness, formatting the SD card, most of which you probably don't have to mess with actually. So let's go give this a little test, and I'll show you some footage taken directly from the DepthStech. The other day I cleaned out the dryer vent there, and we're going to send the DepthStech in there to see how good of a job I did. So I'm going to switch over to footage directly from the DepthStech right now. Well, that looks clean as a whistle, if I do say so myself, which is an odd saying because I don't think whistles are very clean. Let's go look at the Jeep engine compartment with this and see what we can find. There you have it, guys. Pick up this inspection camera and you'll be putting a little depth in your sketch in no time. Thanks for watching.